Good morning, everyone. We just got up, or actually I physically just got up, but we just woke up a few minutes ago. Paul is in the shower now. We're getting ready for the day. It is Sunday morning here in Chicago. We have a couple things planned today that should be pretty fun, and then the next couple days will also get pretty fun as well. So we will see you when we wake up. I know my plan. I saw a Starbucks not very far away on the way here, so I'm going to Starbucks this morning. Get some coffee and some water and stuff because I don't have anything, and that's very important, as everyone knows. All right, we will catch up with you when we leave the hotel room, which I assume will probably be within the next half an hour or so here.
Guys,
we started our day very importantly.
Yes.
Starbucks iced coffee.
The most important. You are really struggling to be in the frame here. Yes, most important part of the day is caffeine. Now that caffeine has been obtained, we can start our trip. We are going to, well, you guys will see. Wow, I still look really tired. I actually got a good night's sleep last night, so I guess that's just my face. Yeah, you guys will see where we are going in just a second here. Well, actually, we are going to a parking structure, so not that exciting. Although that actually is the reason why we are here in Chicago, is to visit a parking structure. It's very important.
Really cool parking structure.
It costs $24 to park there. So luxury parking space. Yeah, we'll see you when we get our luxury parking space.
Okay, we've just parked the car. Now, what you guys don't know is we're going to meet someone right now. So we're going to a museum, but before we go to that museum, we're going to meet up with a friend. A very special friend, plus some others who are now going to become great friends. Yes. We're now exiting the parking structure. They don't know we're filming, so it might be a little weird. They might have a concept we're filming, but we are on our way. We need to find an elevator, though, or stairs. There's an elevator over here.
Down the ramp?
No, I'd prefer not to. Okay, we'll catch up with you when we see them, which should be, for us, like 2 minutes. I'm slightly nervous.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
This is where we find out that everything we know is a lie.
Yes. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're out. I see them. Here they are at the end. I'll turn the camera around for you guys. You can see them in a second. Here they are. There's David West. And Nikki. Hello. And Trevor.
How's it going?
Yeah.
In the
Here they are.
We are at the restaurant here. We've got David over there, Trevor, and well, great food. What was the name of the place? Beloy. All right. Yeah, so great to meet everyone. From here, we're going to be heading on to the museum after lunch, and so I'll catch up with you guys there. Goodbye. All right, so we are now not going to the museum. In fact, there is going to be no museum at all because it's going to be closing in an hour and a half, and it's like $40 for a ticket. So we're not going to pay $40 for a hour-long experience. So instead, we are going to the Great Lake. Something that Evan and I have never seen before. We saw a little bit.
Go surfing.
Yeah.
Are we going surfing?
It's Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan. One of the Great Lakes. We're from California. We don't really have water. Okay, so we are at the lake. It probably would have been actually intelligent to shoot this the other way, but Evan recorded some nice shots, so you'll get to see the lake. But yeah, we ended up going to the lake. not really a beach. There is a beach kind of down that way. But now I believe we're heading to a Lego store.
And, yeah,
Trevor has been harassing about the Lego store all day. A real, true Lego fan. Cannot pass up. You got to hit every Lego store in the United States.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we're going there, and we're gonna see if they have anything good on the pick-a-brick wall. It's doubtful that they will have anything to part out wise. Plus, I don't even know how we would transport that. Yeah. But take a look anyway and see what they got. And then David extremely psyched to play disc golf.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if we have time for that. Yeah. And we're gonna be moving on after that to our next stop. All of us are going together, and there's gonna be a little surprise for you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Think about it. There's a puzzle. All right, guys, so hopefully I can be heard. If not, I'll have to sub this or something, or dub this over. But we are at Chipotle right now, -1, who is lost at Raising Cane's right now. But we had a great time in the Lego store. Hopefully you guys saw that. It should have been dubbed over. I wasn't really able to record much audio in there. So yeah, not exactly sure what I recorded that over with, but we'll find out. But anyway, we are now here at Chipotle, about to finish eating and then leave for our secret final destination. Anything to say?
I'm excited for the final destination.
All right.
And I hope that it's not the true final destination.
Guys, we are almost at our destination here. Super top secret location, not open to the public. David is filled with excitement. It's very dark out, but we're almost here.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is it.
I can't believe it.
Made it.
Park on the street, guys?
Holy crap.
Park on the street or what?